today we will be making French bread, or mostly known as baguette in France, which means a stick. So sa bahay namin, hindi talaga nawawala to since we use this a lot for salad or croutons sa soup, sandwiches, or any type of appetizer. Napakadaming use ng baguette. But did you know na napakadali lang nitong gawin? With just 5 ingredients na worth 23 pesos, makakagawa na kayo ng 4 mini French bread or baguette. Let's begin. First, we will be needing 370 ml of lukewarm water, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. So just pour the yeast in our lukewarm water and then add in the sugar. So dito, matetest natin if okay pa yung yeast na ginagamit natin or gagamitin natin. Just wait for it ng mga 5 minutes, and kapag nagbubbles na siya, that means okay pa siyang gamitin. Get your 500 grams of bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour bilang alternative. And then add in your 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together, then add in our wet mixture. So, haluin lang natin hanggang sa maging well combined na sila. And then, transfer the dough sa table. Make sure na i-flour nyo muna to. Stretch the dough, then fold it rather than kneading it. Siguro mabilis lang to. Siguro mga 3 minutes lang. Let it rest for an hour or 2 to ferment in a bowl. Add in your oil and then takpan ng cloth or cling wrap. So after an hour and a half, nagdouble na yung size niya. Let the air come out of the dough. You can lightly punch it or press it. Press ba tawag sa ginagawa ko? Basta ganito. Basta para ma-release lang yung air. And then add flour sa table and then divide this into 4 since we will be making 4 mini-sized baguettes.
Can we fall back to place? Can we find another way? And maybe honestly, in another
Hindi ko na siya natimbang since pangkain lang naman namin to, pero kung gagawin niyo siyang pang negosyo, you can weigh this para mas accurate. Now, press it down, then pull it once and then fold it. Pagka-fold nyo, roll it. Then sprinkle some flour sa cloth na paglalagyan natin ito. Repeat the process and then let it rise for another 15 minutes. So after 15 to 30 minutes, isi-shape na natin yung dough into baguette. This will be the last process ng pagfo-fold natin. So, let's begin. Fold and roll. So, papahabain lang natin to ng konti.
settling in, settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound.
Once you're done, place it back against a cloth and then spray some water and sprinkle some flour. Let it rest again for another 45 minutes to an hour. And then place it na sa tray after. Mark some shape using a blade or knife. Make sure na nag-grease nyo na rin yung panyo with oil. And before that, nag-preheat na rin pala ako ng oven, 250 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Also, naglagay din ako ng boiling water sa bottom part ng oven to create a steamy atmosphere para maging crunchy yung crust tapos fluffy sa loob yung ating baguettes. Put it in the oven. You can spray one last time ng water and then bake it for about 35 minutes, 250 degrees Celsius. And here's our mini baguettes ready to be served. So in total, ang nagastos lang natin dito ay 23 pesos. So that means 5.75 pesos lang kumakatumbas ang isang piraso ng baguette. O diba, ang dali lang niya. So what are you waiting for? Go and do this na and make sure to tag me on Instagram or Facebook man yan. Okay? See you next time! Bye!